Thomas Paul, 10 plus years tutoring math and science and unlocking student potential. And we have another trigonometric problem that will heavily use some of our triangular principles here. We have in the figure above, MQ segment and NR segment intersect at point P. They say that NP equals QP. And then they're saying that MP equals PR. What is the measure in degrees of angle QMR? Well, if we look at the figure above, let's mark down what we need to see here. So in this case, we know that MP is equal to QP. So let's mark that. We'll mark that here right away. And we know that MP is equal to PR. Of course, not drawing the scale. All right, and now that begins, we can find the angle that we want to find. So let's shade that in. This is the angle we're looking for angle QMR. So there we go, and I sometimes just put a angle X degrees there. So that's what I'm looking for here. Okay, let's get started. So our steps that we're gonna take to obliterate this problem, we got number one. The first thing we wanna notice here is that we have base angle theorem all over the place. And now why is that? Because we have isosceles triangles. So we have, if this is this here, so it means that this angle here is also going to be the same degrees as that because these two lengths are the same according to base angle theorem. All right, very good. We also can say the same here, that these two, we don't know too much more than that at the moment. We know this angle though, look at the next step. Look at the vertical angles here. So we know that this angle is vertical angle with that, so this has to be 60 degrees as well. I may not need to use that very much. And now look at the third one. We're looking to get to X here. So look, oh, we know that linear pair. Linear pair angles sum to 180 degrees. So if we switch colors here, we can make an equation. Let's call this angle just A degrees. And that's going to be the trick here to give that. So we know that A degrees plus 60 degrees, that has to add up to 180. And so we know right away that A degrees is going to be 120. Okay, no problem. And so if we know, we can now write our next equation. We know that A plus the 2x's also has to add up to 180 degrees because our triangles sum that way. So it's going to be A, so that's step 4. Sum triangles to 180 degrees. A plus 2x equals 180 degrees. We subtract. We know that A is 120 degrees. So let's subtract that from both sides. That'll cancel out A. And so we know that 2x equals 60 degrees. And therefore we can find the value of x is 30 degrees. And we, of course, just set angle x equal to QMR. That's our answer. 30 degrees. For Science Math Magic Tutoring. Until next time.